The Cardano Accelerator Program is a 10-week program. It's theme-based and it's designed to help ventures grow, scale, and bring blockchain products to market. It's hands-on collaboration together with the teams and the Cardano Foundation mentors, as well as ecosystem partners that we bring on board. Selected teams, they'll work really directly with the Cardano Foundation's core engineering and business teams to refine their products and get validated use cases and strengthen their go-to-market strategies. So the program, it has 2 tracks. The Cardano Venture for established Cardano native projects ready to scale, and then also the Cardano Bridge for Web 2 or cross-chain projects looking to integrate their solutions into the Cardano ecosystem. And the goal is very simple: to accelerate real-world adoption by helping exceptional teams turn ideas into production-ready ventures built on Cardano. Why should startups apply for the Venture Hub Accelerator Program? I would say because it's more than just a program, it's a partnership. For most entrepreneurs, the challenge isn't understanding blockchain, it's about figuring out how to integrate it into a real business model. Through the Venture Hub Accelerator Program, founders get technical guidance, business support, and access to an ecosystem that really helps them de-risk and validate and deploy faster. It's a fast track really for ventures serious about growth and adoption, not just building, but building on-chain with purpose, I suppose.